This week's episode of Trash Panda Off-Road. We got to put a clutch in old Clyde here. Those of you who are subscribed to the channel or fans of the channel have seen this rig before. It is a 96 Geo Tracker, tubed out, all running on Toyota axles. Believe it's got 513 gears in the axles, transfer case gears, all the good stuff. Running the 38s. Unfortunately, I burned up the clutch. Guy who owns the rig let me borrow it, and I smoked the clutch big time. As in the little pads that hold the clutch together, those were falling out from the bottom. So today we're going to climb under here and get that taken care of. Here it is. I knew there was a little piece. See? These little things. Supposed to hold the pieces all together. Yeah, they're coming out. So, okay, so first thing we're going to do, I've already pressure washed it. We'll push it back a little bit, get it out of the grass or the wet spot. And we will unhook the transmission, which we've done 100 times on the automatic rigs by doing motor swaps, stuff like that. By the way, this is the 16 valve in this, 96. So then I think we're going to drop the transfer case, and the transmission is one. My understanding is that the bolts for the top of the transfer case are on top, and you can't get to them from down here. So we'll drop it all as one unit. He's got some other things he wanted to look at while he was in here anyway. Maybe repairing some cross members, exhaust, that kind of stuff. So got the transmission, transfer case out of there. I will always claim that something was wrong and it wasn't really my fault. But if you look in there, a little bit of material that's not supposed to be there. That's bits and pieces of clutch. Yeah, still gonna claim. Alright, we'll go underneath. I'll show you what's left of the clutch, just the metal pieces.
Alright. So this is the pressure plate, so that's fine. That's the clutch. All the clutch material.
That's awesome. Well, it's awesome now, but it wasn't awesome out on the trail. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm claiming something's wrong. Been about 5 hours of total work on this thing, not counting some other adjustments we had to make to other things that we found. Like in here, he's got a bad motor mount right there. Don't know if you can see that. We have the starter back in. We're rerunning the cable because it wasn't ran correctly, so we're fixing the clutch cable issue. Gonna fix the motor mount. Had a transfer case mount that we had to re-weld, and we're gonna replace the rear shocks while we're under here. Found out, unfortunately, the hard way that this is a slip piece. It slipped out of the lower section right here, so that was a painful lesson to learn. Making some final adjustments to the clutch cable, and in theory we should be able to turn the key and it will move under its own power. If not, we're done for the day anyway, so hopefully it works out. Oh, it moved. Still got a bunch of stuff we got to fix on it. Plan on going up to LB OHV Park in a couple of weeks. But at least we got that part done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Like the video, share. Please, as always, put your comments down below. And stay tuned for more GeoTracker content. We got a lot of these things lying around.